G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. This snowblower has a power steering mechanism whereby it releases the torque on one wheel and keeps it applied on the other, and therefore you spin around. That assumes that there's a braking force on the wheel that's released, but anyway. So what happened is this lever right here, won't pull. You pull on it and you can tell nothing was happening. So take it off, you basically jack it up, put blocks underneath the back of this, pull the pin, pull the wheel off. You can see my other video, just describes how to grease this, very basic stuff. And I've got the mechanism freed up now so you can see, but what happened, two things happened. This pin had popped up and I don't know why. There must be a retaining clip or something on there. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be anything, but anyway, it had popped up like that. That wasn't the problem though. But all this mechanism in here had seized up. So you can see how it works. When it's in the relaxed state, this part here that grips onto the wheel hub turns with this ring, which turns with the axle. But when I squeeze the lever, that's causing this effect, and now this will freewheel on the shaft, which means the wheel will freewheel on the axle shaft. So if you have trouble with that, I used honey goo, but you can use any good quality lubricant or grease. And this is something I recommend doing every year to keep that mechanism running free. Now, if you take off a side, like I have on this side, by the way, those things are covered. There should be a cover on them. Should be a cover on it like this, held on with two little tiny bolts. This mechanism looks all brand new because it had a cover on it. It's not corroded, but the cable got kinked. Right here, broke off. And you can see the mechanism is functioning perfectly fine. But when I squeeze the lever, nothing happens. It's because the cable is seized inside the sheath. So this one needs a new cable. So that's basically how these things work. And they're really not that complicated. I'd never seen one before today, and I wouldn't hesitate to take that apart and work on it if I felt like I needed to. So I'm going to order a new cable, put it on, and this will all be all functional again. If you like my video, please subscribe. Good luck with your do-it-yourself project.